How to fix iPhone 14 Pro always on display and iOS 16 always on display hands on. How to turn off any iPhone and iPad. Open the settings app, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. You can see appears on screen not showing display always on option. How to solve this issue. Back to home. Open the settings app. Now tap on general. Click on software update. You can see appears on screen. Please update your iOS new version. Back to home. Open the settings app. Tap on general and tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Please select the reset all settings and complete the process. Back to home. Clear recently apps. Open the settings app. Tap on display and brightness and toggle turn off the switch next to always on. That's it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.